Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll be replacing my current GT 710 graphics card for a silent one. Yes, I said silent, or fanless if you will. Why? Well, because when I'm recording tutorials, I hear the fan running in the background. Therefore, I have to spend more time in editing, trying to fix it. Now, it is worth mentioning that there will be no GPU testing as I'm only interested in the multiple displays. So, before we get to the video, I want to wish you all a safe and healthy Happy New Year. Now, let's get to the video. So before I install it on my computer, I need to replace the bracket with the low profile bracket. So I'm going to use my handy dandy tool here, and I'm just going to unscrew these two here, just like that. Very simple. I believe I have another video. I have a video on how to replace the bracket on a low profile video graphic card. So from here, let's just unplug this here, just like that. And then here we have a little screw here that we have to take out. So let's just unscrew this here. So we take the whole piece out because I'm not going to use the VGA, so let's put that aside. Now I am going to replace it with this one. Okay, so okay, so what we're going to do is just lift this up, and then we're going to pull the video graphics card out. It has a little clip here at the bottom. I'm just going to push it back. Hopefully you can see. I just pull this back here, and then from here I'm just going to lift and then just pull it out. So this is the one that we're just going to replace. So here it is, and we're just going to slide it in. Although it looks like it's a little longer than the other one. Let's see. Yes, it's a little longer. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little longer. So that means that I need to make more room here. So let's see. Let's pull this out here. We should be clear. So it's just a matter of sliding it in there, making sure that everything is aligned, and then push it down. And that's it. And now close this back up. Let's make sure that it closes. Okay, so now that everything is seated correctly, I'm just gonna plug it in. That's there. I'm gonna put my HDMI into the slot. Okay, now the HDMI cable is plugged in, everything is in. I'm gonna start the computer. You hear that? Silence. Perfect. Perfect. I love it. Let's go to the BIOS and see. I think it's on that screen. Oh, it doesn't matter. I guess it's capturing both screens. Okay, so now let's go to the BIOS. Oh, it's on the other screen now. So let's see. Not sure if you can see it, but we are in the BIOS. So let's take a look at the. Okay, so let's go to the video. From here we have the primary. We have NVIDIA graphics card multi display. I click here, and it's here. At least it's recognizing it. So the primary, let's make it the primary and then apply. And now we are going to restart the computer. Okay, it's almost there, and here we are.